back, remote work was looked at in a different light. Then the pandemic happened and people realized that going remote is not so bad. It's actually quite lucrative. I am one of those people. Hey, I am Dharmendra, a machine learning engineer working remotely from India, and today I want to share my remote work experience. I have been working remotely for a while, and all I can say is it's going great. I'm happier than I've ever been. Remote work has made a huge impact not only on my lifestyle, but I also got an opportunity to unlock my full potential. It may sound cliche, but working in a fully remote environment, I save a lot of time not commuting to work. And it's not just time, I save myself from the daily mental and physical exhaustion of driving through traffic and pollution. The time I save compounds, and I get to spend it on things I value the most: my family, my friends, exercising, sleeping 8 hours, and more. Earlier, if you wanted to work for a well-established firm, you had to move to a Tier 1 or Tier 2 city. There wasn't any alternative. Now, technology plays an important role in bridging this gap between talent and opportunity in the form of remote work. For me, it all started when I found out about Turing through one of my friends. It's a platform that matches experienced developers with global opportunities without worrying about work visa. I went through their vetting process and I realized that only talented and experienced developers can make it through. It pretty much consisted of MCQ tests for various tech stacks and a real-time coding challenge. I passed the test and within a few days I was hired for their internal data science team. Here is a pro tip. If you are preparing for Turing's data science tech stack, clear your basic concepts of probability and statistics and focus on the mathematics behind the machine learning algorithms. I usually work from Gurgaon, which is one of the biggest tech hubs in India, but now I have a leeway to work from my hometown whenever and however long I want to. I work with engineers from all over the world, and most of my colleagues are former FAANG engineers. It's only because of remote work that I am able to interact with them daily and learn things that I might have never been able to learn working traditionally. I strongly believe that the future of work is remote, and if you are an experienced developer who wants to reap the advantages that remote work provides, go boundaryless with Turing. I strongly believe that the future of work is remote. Lucrative. I am one of those people.